ಹಲೋ
ಹಲೋ.
ಹಾ ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ?
ಹಾ ಹೇಳಿ.
You can write this problem. Matrix C is equal to matrix A into matrix B. Matrix A is
Yes, sir.
matrix A is, I will give the numbers in the row wise. So minus 0.4, 1, minus 0.8. That is in the first row.
Yes, sir.
Second row, minus 1.5, 0.5,
Yes, sir.
minus 1.5. Third row, minus 0.8, 0, minus 0.6.
Yes, sir.
So this is matrix A, which is 3 by 3 size. Matrix B is only one column, minus 22, 13, 27. So matrix B has got 3 rows and 1 column.
Yes, sir.
Matrix A is having 3 rows and 3 columns.
Yeah.
Now, how do you write the size of matrix A, matrix B?
We should write as write it as A is equal to
Not A
matrix
is,
A is
not A is equal to
matrix C is equal to
matrix A. A, what is the size? Size of
Yeah.
that matrix.
3 into 3,
B is
1 into 1.
correct. Very good. So what will be the size of matrix C?
We should find it out then.
What is the size?
What is this? 2 into 3, 6.
First you have to find the size, you know.
Yes,
What is
sir.
this? What is the size of that?
Sir,
Now-
A do 3.3 into 3.
No. First you tell me what is the size of this. Say size of matrix A is 3 by 3.
Yeah.
Size of matrix B is 3 by 1.
Yes, sir.
So what is the size of matrix C?
1 by 1.
No. What did I tell you on the other day? Can you multiply A into B now?
Yes, sir. Correct. 3 into 3, 6. And 3 into 1 is 3.
No. What you are telling?
Sir, 3 into 3, sir.
3 into 3 is what? It is size of A.
Yeah.
Size of B is
3 into 1.
3 into 1. So what is the size of C?
we should multiply both.
No, first you have to give the size of the matrix C. Knowing the size of matrix A and size of matrix B, you should be able
sir.
to tell what is the size of matrix C. Is it possible to multiply A into B or not possible? How you will decide whether A into B can be multiplied or not?
By seeing the size.
Huh? Seeing the
By seeing-
size.
Yeah.
So what is the size for A?
3 into 3.
3 into 3. That is, we read it as 3 by 3, not
3 by
3 into
3.
3.
Yeah.
Okay. What is the size of B?
3 by 1.
3 by 1. So what will be the size of C? If you know the size of these two, then you will be able to write the size of this one.
What is the size of C?
Ah. So multiplication of matrices, this we have done. We did
Yeah.
several problems also. We did.
Yes.
So what is the size of C?
Sir, A into B, 3 into 3 into 1 minute. Sir.
That means you are not studying at all.
3.
If the size of matrix A and B is given, can you find the size of matrix C?
No, sir.
Why?
Because there's no numerals given and there's no size for this matrix C.
Huh?
Sir, you're not given the column and
No, it
rows,
is not
sir.
given for A also. See, if you see the first equation, C is equal to A into B.
Yes, sir.
And if you know the size of A is 3 by 3 and the size of B is 3 by 1, what will be the size of C?
1 into 1.
No.
0.
That means you are not studying at all. You know, this previous lessons you are not gone through it,
Sir, I've gone through it, sir, but I don't
or
know.
you have not understood at all.
Sir, I've
But-
understood also, sir.
Ah.
I didn't do the problems of this, sir. C into
Multiplication
to-
of matrices.
I've done these problems, sir.
No. See, particular problem is not done. I know, but we have done several problems.
Sir,
Where-
wait a minute, sir. 3
Where-
into 3
Ah,
and 3 into 1.
ah,
So we should round the means in the brackets. We should put a circle in 3 and 3.
ah.
So the C matrix C size is 3 into 3, 3 by 3.
Huh?
The C matrix size is 3 by 3, sir.
How?
No, sir, 1 minute. 1 minute. I will do the problem and give.
No. First you can't do the problem. First you have to write the size. Then only you can make
Yes,
the
sir, yes,
calculation.
sir. I'm writing the size and calculating. Sir, 1 minute. C is equal to A is 3 into 3. B is 3 into 1. These sizes. Sir, C matrix size is 3 into 1, sir.
So therefore, you can write how the C looks.
Yeah. C11,
Ah,
C12,
no.
C11, C21.
Ah,
Yeah, 1 minute. C11,
ah,
C21,
ah,
C31.
ah. How does it look?
Looks 3 into 3 by 1. 3
Like
by
it is coming horizontal or vertical?
vertical, sir.
Correct. So you see here, we'll write the size
We
of
should
the,
encircle the 3 and 3.
yeah, these two are same, means then only you can multiply.
Yeah.
If these two numbers are different, we cannot multiply. Then leaving these numbers, this extreme one, 3 by 1, that gives the size of the C.
Yes, sir.
You're able to follow?
Yes, sir.
So here C, we can write it as C11, C21, C31. It is a column matrix.
Yes, sir.
And you write that equal to this one.
Yeah.
You write here C11, C21, C31 enclosed in the rectangular bracket. And before that, you can have C within the bracket also equal to.
Yes, sir.
Then you have to find out what is the value of C11, C21, C31.
C2, 3, 3, 3, 1.
Ah. So how do you calculate C11? You have written this one equation.
Yes, sir. I have written.
Find out C11 separately, C21 separately, C31 separately. Then you can substitute for the matrix C. So how will you calculate?
C11 is equal to
Ah, C11 is equal to what you will write?
minus 22.
Ah,
One minute, sir. Minus 22. Minus 22.
how do we multiply matrices?
Sir, just now, what we did just now, that you are asking, sir.
C11 means how will you calculate?
First row, first column.
Ah,
So minus 22. Minus 0.4.
ah,
Into
ah.
first row, first column. Minus 1.5.
No.
No, sir. Into 1.
No.
Minus 0.4 into
Minus 0.14 into what?
minus 0.4 into 1.
Huh?
Minus 0.4 into 1 minute, sir. 0.1 ನಿಮಿಷ. minus 0.4 into minus 22. Minus 0.4 into minus 22.
Correct. Then
Minus, oh, sorry, plus. Plus 1 into 13 plus minus 0.8 into 27.
correct. Simplify that one.
Minus 0.4 into minus 22. 8.8. 13 plus. Sir, 0.2. Answer.
Whatever you get.
Now we should calculate C21. Right, sir?
C21 you calculate.
Is equal to minus 1.5 into minus 22
Correct.
plus 0.5 into 13 plus minus 1.5 into 27.
So C11, how much did you get?
0.2.
See, first term, how much you got?
8.8, sir.
Correct. Next.
13.
Next.
Minus 21.6.
Is it?
Yes, sir.
I think it is wrong,
Sir, minus 0.8 into 27, sir. Minus 0.8 into 27. Minus 21.67, sir.
Correct. So simplifying it is 0.2. Okay. Next one.
I'm doing it. Sir, minus 1.
Correct.
Sir, 1.4.
Correct. You're able to understand?
Yes, sir.
Now, can you multiply B into A?
B into A.
Huh.
No, sir.
Why?
Because 3 into 1 and 3 into 3. You can't do 1 into 3.
Correct. Now, 1 into 3 should not come inside.
Yeah.
Those two numbers should be
You
equal
can't
always.
encircle the different numbers.
They must be equal. Then only we can multiply, not otherwise.
Yes.
Okay. Now you do one more problem where matrix A, you keep the same old one.
Yes, sir.
Matrix B, the first number, you change it. Change it to minus 24.
Same problem. So C is equal to A into B.
C is equal to A into B. But B, we will change the number minus 22 to minus
sir.
24.
Okay.
So, of course, previous one, the value you have calculated, but did you write what is matrix C is equal to?
Yes, sir.
What did you write?
0.2 minus 1, 1.4.
And that you have to enclose in the rectangular bracket.
Yeah, rectangular bracket. Yes.
As a column matrix.
Yes, sir.
So you have to write matrix C enclosed in brackets is equal to that numbers what you got for C11, C21, C31, but
Yes,
they
sir.
must be enclosed in the brackets.
Okay.
So that it looks like a column matrix.
Sir, ಅದು minus 24 ಅಲ್ವಾ sir?
ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ B ಒಂದು you change it to minus 24.
13 and 27 are the same.
Other two will be same.
Okay.
So that I want to know whether you have understood the multiplication like that. See that you are not practicing. You must do that whenever you have free time.
Sir, ಇಲ್ಲ sir, ಅದು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೆ starting trouble ನನಗೆ.
That is why. See, if you do repeatedly several problems, you will remember. Otherwise, in exam, what will you do? Because it will be the first time only you have to do from the mind, and you will not have notes or books for going through it. Somebody will not be telling you from the back side or from the front side in the podium.
Sir, first answer is 1.
Correct.
Sir, second answer is 2. Hello. Sir, second answer is 2.
Huh?
Second answer is 2.
Correct. What is the next one?
I'm doing it. Sir, 16.
No, wrong.
Huh?
Wrong.
Wrong.
Hmm.
Sir, C31 is equal to
31
minus
ಅಂತೆಲ್ಲ ಹೇಳ್ಬಾರ್ದು.
C31.
C31.
Sorry.
C31.
C31 is equal to
Hmm.
minus 0.8 into minus 24
Correct.
plus 0 into 13
Correct.
plus of minus 0.6 into 27 plus of minus 0.6 into 27.
Correct.
Minus 0.8 into minus 24 is 19.2. 0 I am sure, sir.
Minus 0.8 into minus 22 is how much?
Minus 24.
Minus 24 is how much?
19.2. Sir, 3 na answer. 3 answer.
Correct. So how do you write the matrix C is equal to?
C is equal to 1, 2, 3 in a rectangular, enclosed in a rectangular bracket, vertical side.
Correct. Now you write here, you see you have got the this matrix C, is it not?
Yes, sir.
Where C is enclosed in the rectangular bracket. Now you write in your paper capital letter I here instead of C.
I.
capital letter I, and enclose in the rectangular bracket.
Yes, sir.
Then write equal to.
Yes, sir.
Then you have to write a matrix of 3 by 3 here, in which you see these principal diagonal elements, principal diagonal elements.
Yes, sir.
You keep them 1, 1, 1. Principal
Okay.
diagonal elements 1, 1, 1.
Okay, sir.
And all others you put 0.
All.
All others. Principal
Yes, sir.
diagonal elements are 1, 1, 1. All others are 0.
Yes, sir.
Now, can you find the determinant of C? That I, determinant of I? Matrix
Yes, sir.
matrix I is equal to row wise 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1.
0, 0, 1.
Now, I want to find the determinant of that matrix I.
Okay, sir.
That means write the letter I with 2 vertical bars
Yes,
is
sir.
equal to, write the same thing as matrix, but not with bracket, but 2 vertical bars,
Okay, sir.
and find the value of that.
Yes, sir. I found it.
How much?
1001.
Huh?
1001.
What is that?
Sir, determinant ತಾನೇ ನೀವು ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯಕ್ಕೆ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದು.
How much is that?
ಸರ್ ಡಿಟರ್ಮಿನೆಂಟ್ ಅದೇ ಇತ್ತಾನೆ ಸರ್, ನಾನು ಅದೇ ಫಸ್ಟ್
Determine.
ಕಾಲಮ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ರೋ ಮರ್ತ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಇನ್ ಮಿಕ್ಕಿದ್ ಬರಿಬೇಕು ಆ ತರ.
Determinant 2 vertical bars ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ ಏನ್ ಬರ್ತೀರಾ?
1001. ಸರ್ ಇವಾಗ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕಾಲಮ್ ನ ಮತ್ತೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ರೋ ನ ಮರ್ತ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಕೇಳಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಸರ್.
ಡಿಟರ್ಮಿನೆಂಟ್ ಮುಂಚೆ ಮಾಡಿದೀವಿ, ಬೇಕಾದಷ್ಟು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ.
ಹಾ ಸರ್ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು. ಸರ್ ಡಿಟರ್ಮಿನೆಂಟ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇವಾಗ 100 ಇದೆ ಸರ್. ಇವಾಗ 3 ಕಾಲಮ್ಸ್ 3 ರೋಸ್ ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಸರ್ ನಾವು ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಗಿಂತ ಮುಂಚೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಲ್ಲ
ಅದೇ
ಡಿಟರ್ಮಿನೆಂಟ್, ಅದನ್ನೇ ಸರ್ ಮಾಡಿರೋದು.
See, I asked you to write the letter I.
Yes, sir.
Enclose it by rectangular bracket.
Yeah.
So this is called matrix I.
Yes, sir.
And we are writing a matrix of 3 by 3 size.
Yes, sir.
So what I gave you was 1, 0, 0,
Yes, sir.
0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1.
Yes, sir.
This is the matrix.
Hello.
Hello.
ಕೇಳಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಸರ್?
ಅದೇ
ಸರ್ ನಂಗೆ ನಿಮ್ ಸ್ಕ್ರೀನ್ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ.
ಕಾಣ್ತಿಲ್ವಾ?
ಹಾ
ಕಾಣ್ಬೇಕಲ್ಲ.
ಫುಲ್ ಬ್ಲ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಆಗಿದೆ.
ಬ್ಲಾಂಕ್ ಇದೆ. ಈಗ ಬರ್ದಿದ್ದು ಕಾಣ್ಲಿಲ್ವಾ?
ಏನು ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ಸರ್, ನೀವು ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ನಂಗೆ.
ಹೌದಾ?
ಹಾ ನಾನ್ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ಸರ್.
ಹಾ.
ಅದೇ ಶೇರ್ ಸ್ಕ್ರೀನ್ ಏನೋ ಇವಾಗ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ ನೀವು ಮಾತ್ರ.
ಅದೇ ಒಂದ್ ನಿಮಿಷ. ವೈಟ್ ಬೋರ್ಡ್. ಈಗ
ಇವಾಗ್ಲೂ ಏನು ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ಸರ್.
ಕಾಣ್ಬೇಕಲ್ಲ. ವೆಲ್ಕಮ್ ಅಂತ
ಇವಾಗ
ಕಾಣ್ತಿಲ್ವಾ?
ಇವಾಗ ಬಂತು. ವೆಲ್ಕಮ್ ಅಂತ ಬರ್ದಿರಾ ತಾನೆ ಸರ್?
ವೆಲ್ಕಮ್ ಅಂತಿದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ?
ಇವಾಗ
ಓಕೆ.
ಇವಾಗ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತು.
So I asked you to write matrix I is equal to 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0,
0, 1.
So this is a matrix of size 3 by 3.
Yeah.
Now I want you to find determinant of this matrix I. That is just 2 vertical bars will write.
Yeah.
How do you
Okay.
find out this value?
ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕಾಲಮ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ರೋನ ಮರಿಬೇಕು. 1001. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕಾಲಮ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ರೋನ ಮರ್ತೋಗ್ಬಿಡ್ಬೇಕು. ಆಮೇಲೆ 1001 ಬರಿಬೇಕು.
But what you have to do before that? You have done several problems, you know.
Column.
Say let delta is equal to I gave you, no?
ಅದೇ.
So it is that one.
ಈ y ವರ್ಟಿಕಲ್ ಕಾಲಮ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೆದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು
how do you find the expansion of this?
1001.
No, not simply 1001. What is the value of that expansion? You know, how do you do it? First, what you will write?
First, we should write the vertical column.
No. See, determinant we did several problems, you know, before starting the matrices. Expansion of second order determinant, expansion of third order determinant, fourth order also we did.
Yes, sir.
See, that means, you know, the old lessons you are not practicing at all. You are straight away coming and
sir, illa sir, hangala naan heltare niಮಗೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ.
ಇಲ್ಲ, but how do you write first? What is the number you write first?
Sir,
that is what I am telling. Forgot means you are not going through the lessons what already done.
Sir, I have gone through, sir.
See, first we will take this number here in the first row, first column. Write that number.
Sir.
Write that number here.
1 into 1001.
Then you have to write the determinant ignoring this row and this column. whatever is appearing there. It is 1, 0, 0, 1.
ಅದು
Then what we
ನಾನು
will do? Then we will put a minus sign.
ಮೈನಸ್ ಸೈನ್ ಮತ್ತೆ
Then
0 ಇಂಟು
Next number we write, which is 0 into.
0001.
So we have to leave this column and this row. We will have to write 0, 0, 0, 1. Then there is a plus sign. Write this number, which is 0 again. Then leave that row and that column. Write this remaining item, which is 0, 1, 0, 0. Now, because 0 into anything will be 0, this whole thing will become 0.
Yes, sir.
Similarly, this whole thing will become 0.
Yes, sir.
So what will happen to I is equal to
I is equal to
determinant I. Determinant I is equal to that 1 into, we multiply the numbers on the principal diagonal,
0
which is 1 into 1, minus multiply the numbers on the secondary
0
diagonal.
into 0. 1 minus 0 is 0.
So that means it is 1 into 1 minus 0. That means you will get 1.
1.
So this matrix in which principal diagonal elements are 1, 1, 1 and others are 0 is called as a unit matrix. Unit matrix. It is also called identity matrix. It is represented by the matrix I. Symbol I is used. What is its property is determinant of that I is always equal to 1. So it is called unit matrix.
Yes, sir.
So it may be a say 2 by 2 matrix also.
Yes,
It
sir.
can be like this. That is, numbers are principal diagonal are 1, 1, others are 0. So if you find the determinant here also,
Yes, sir.
it becomes 1. So if I is equal to 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, then also determinant I is equal to 1. Similarly, we can have I is equal to 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1. In that case also, if find the determinant, it will come as 1 only. So what is important is the numbers on the principal diagonal are 1, 1. All others are zeros.
Yes, sir.
So determinant of that type of a matrix, that matrix is called unit matrix or identity matrix, represented by the letter I. In book, they will write only I, but in handwriting, please write the rectangular brackets so that it is I is enclosed in the brackets.
Yes, sir.
If you enclose the I with 2 vertical bars, then it is called determinant. And determinant of unit matrix is always 1.
Yes, sir.
You're able to follow?
Yes, sir.
Now, we will learn one more operation. that is called if matrix A is equal to, I will give a 3 by 3 matrix. Let us say it is minus 3, 6, minus 11, 3, minus 4, 6, 4,
Yes.
minus 8, 13. So if A is equal to this, find. So here we write this way. It looks like to the power of minus 1, but it is not the power. It is called inverse of matrix A.
Inverse of matrix A.
Yeah, inverse of matrix A.
Okay.
So this one we can read it as A inverse. A inverse. Now, how this will come is like this. If you multiply matrix A by this matrix A inverse, or you can also multiply A inverse by this matrix A, that is like AB is equal to BA type. Both
Yes,
will be
sir.
same here, and both will give this matrix I. So if this is 3 by 3, this is also 3 by 3. So size of this is also 3 by 3. See, because you see these two numbers are same,
Yes, sir.
we can do the multiplication. So the remaining numbers here, this 3 by 3 gives the result.
Yes, sir.
And A into A inverse or A inverse into A, if you multiply, you will always get I.
Yes, sir.
So first we will find A inverse when A is equal to this much given.
Yes, sir.
Then you can multiply A into A inverse, or you can do both for practice. A inverse into A also you can find, A into A inverse also you find.
Okay.
And see that result is always I. So if you get I, then what you have found as I inverse will be correct. So
Yes, sir.
how does this I look like?
I look like A
Unit matrix.
unit matrix. I minus 1.
No. I is called unit matrix. It will have 1, 0, 0.
A.
Just now I gave you, no?
Yes, sir.
So I will look like 1, 0, 0. A
1
matrix
0
like
0
this. 0, 1,
0
0,
1 0
0,
0
0,
0
1.
1. Yeah.
So when you multiply A into A inverse, you should get this type of a shape.
Yes, sir.
Similarly, A inverse into A also will give the same thing. Either A into A inverse also will give the same thing.
Yes, sir.
So we will learn how to find the A inverse. So here I have given A is equal to, you write it. You have written that one.
Yes, sir.
Minus 3, 6, minus 11. 3, minus 4, 6. 4, minus 8, 13. Now, to find A inverse, first you have to calculate what is determinant of A.
Yes, sir.
So find out what is determinant of A. How much is this you find out?
Yes, sir.
So because you have done several problems on second order, third order determinant, you should be able to do this. While working, if you louder, tell louder, I will be able to also.
Yes, sir. A is equal to minus 3 into
Not A is equal to determinant A.
our determinant A is equal
A
to
should be enclosed in two vertical lines.
determinant A is equal to
Ah,
minus 3 into
ah,
minus 4 minus 8, 6, 13,
ah,
minus 6 into
ah,
3, 4, 6, 13,
ah,
plus minus of 11 is equal to
ah,
into
ah.
3, 4 minus 8.
Correct.
So it's minus 3 into
Ah,
our bracket minus 4 into 13
ah,
minus of minus 8 into 6
ah.
minus 6 into
Close the flower bracket.
close the flower bracket and open the normal bracket minus 6 into open
Ah,
the flower bracket
ah,
3 into 13
ah,
minus 4 into 6
ah.
close the flower bracket
Hmm.
plus of minus 11 into
Ah,
3 into minus 8
ah.
4 into minus 4
Correct.
minus 4 into minus 4. Three into
So what will be the next step?
minus 4 into 13 is minus 52
Ah,
and then again minus minus 8 into 6 is minus 48
hmm?
minus 8 into 6 is minus 48 minus 6 into 3 into 13 is 39
Ah,
39 minus 4 6 are 24
hmm.
plus into minus 11 is minus 11 so it will become minus 11 into
Hmm.
uh, into minus 8 minus 24 minus 4 into minus 4 is minus 16
Hmm.
and we should simplify 3 into 4 minus 4 minus 6 into 15 minus 11 into minus 8. Sir, minus 14 answer.
Huh?
Hello.
Huh?
Minus 14.
Wrong.
Sir, minus 190.
Huh?
Minus 190.
No.
48 plus 48.
First one, how much you got? First term.
12. Minus 12.
Huh?
Minus 12.
How?
Sir, ಇವಾಗ minus 52
Huh?
plus 48.
Huh?
So it becomes minus 4.
Correct.
ಅಲ್ವಾ?
Hmm.
39 minus 24 is 15.
Huh?
Minus 24 plus
Ah.
16 is minus 8.
Correct.
So 3 into minus 4 is minus 12.
Where is 3?
3 into, sir.
But where is 3?
So, ನಿಮಿಷ.
In the problem, what I have given?
1 minute, sir.
Read the problem, what I have given. A equal to?
1 minus 90. Sir, minus 166 are answer.
No.
Sir, minus 3 into minus 4, sir.
Correct.
That's plus 12.
Ah.
And again, minus 6 into 15 is
Ah.
minus 90.
Ah.
And again, minus 11 into minus 8 is minus 88.
Ah.
Minus 7 into
Ah.
minus 8 is
Ah.
minus 88.
How?
Plus 88, sir. I have written the equation like that, sir. It comes the same now, sir.
No,
Plus
it
into
will not
minus.
come same, you say this. That is why this multiplication, addition, all that is very important. I tell you in every class, and you are not doing that one.
Sir, 10, sir, answer.
Huh?
10.
Ah, how many times you will change?
Sir, answer 10th, sir.
Ah. Yeah, correct. To tell that one, how many times you have to revise. So you must practice all the old lessons. Otherwise, you will not learn anything. It will become difficult. Further lessons, you may not be able to follow. See, that is why.
ಅದು ಇಲ್ಲೇನಾಗಿತ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸರ್
Ah.
minus 3 into plus 3 ಬರ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೆ.
See, one mistake anywhere, it will not give a different answer. You see, then your problem will not be correct. You are able to follow now?
Yes, sir.
Now, second step is we will find what is called a matrix alpha.
Alpha
The
B.
size of this is same as the matrix A that is given, whose inverse we want to find.
Yes, sir.
So a given matrix is 3 by 3. Alpha matrix also will have the same 3 by 3.
Yes, sir.
So this will be like alpha 1 1,
Alpha
alpha
1 2,
1 2,
alpha
alpha
1 3,
1 3, alpha 2 1, alpha 2 2, alpha
alpha
2 3,
3.
alpha 3 1,
Yes, sir.
alpha 3 2, alpha 3 3. Now, given matrix A
Yes, sir.
is, it is minus 3, 6, minus 11,
Yes, sir.
3, minus 4, 6, 4, minus 8, 13. Now, we will use a formula alpha ij is equal to minus 1 to the power of I plus j multiplied by determinant of mij.
Yes.
So, determinant of mij it is called minor of element ij. In this case, in the matrix A means we will write Aij. Small letter A is the element there. A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, A31, A32, A33 we write.
Yes, sir.
So I we have to give different values, J we have to give values and find these values. That means we have to find what is alpha 1 1, alpha 1 2, alpha 1 3, like that.
Yes, sir.
So alpha 1 1 means it is minus 1 to the power of 1 plus 1. I is 1, j is 1. Then multiplied by determinant of minor of element 1 1. That means we are taking this number minus 3, it is A11. If you leave the row and column in which the number lies, the remaining number here is called the minor of this element. So it is minus 4, 6, minus 8, 13. So this is
Yes.
called minor of element A11. So I is equal to 1, j is equal to 1.
Yes, sir.
Now, what happens is this I plus j, 1 plus 1, when you add, if the number comes like 2, 4, 6, 8, like that,
Yes, sir.
even number, then minus 1 to the power of even number will be plus 1.
Yes, sir.
So we don't have to write the sign here. But if the I plus j becomes odd number like 3, 5, 7, 9, 11 like that, then it gives a minus sign.
Minus sign.
Then only we write the minus sign. Otherwise, plus we don't have to write. So it becomes like minus 4, 6, minus 8, and 13.
Yes, sir.
And this, you know how to find out. It is minus 52 plus 48. Why? Because in the formula minus sign is there and this will give minus 48. So minus of minus becomes plus. So this answer becomes minus 4. You're able to follow?
Yes, sir.
So now like that, you have to find the alpha 1, 2. See, alpha 1, 2 is minus 1 to the power of 1 plus 2 multiplied by determinant of M12, that is minor of element 1, 2. So 1 plus 2 is 3 here. So this will give a minus sign. So I will write the minus sign there.
Yes, sir.
Now this M12 is leaving the first row, second column. Whatever we get, that is the minor of the second element. That is 3,
Yes, sir.
6, 4, 13. 3, 6, 4, 13. So this is minus into 39 minus 24. That becomes minus 15.
Yes, sir. Minus.
Like that, minus 1, 3 is minus 1 to the power of 1 plus 2, rather 1 plus 3 multiplied by M13. Now 1 plus 3 is 4. So this gives a plus number, plus
Plus
sign.
number of sign.
We will not write the plus. So we
Yes,
will
sir.
write like that. Now M13 means leave the first row, third column element, write the remaining, which is 3 minus 4, 4 minus 8. So this will give minus 24 plus 16 because formula has a minus and this will give a minus 16. So it becomes plus 16. So this becomes minus 8.
Minus 8.
Then alpha 2, 1 we have to find. It is minus 1 to the power of 2 plus 1 multiplied by M21. Now 2 plus 1 is odd number. So this will give a minus sign. I will have to write here. Then write the minor of, after ignoring element in the second row and first column. So second row and first column, if you leave, you get 6 minus 11.
6 minus 11 minus 8, 13.
Minus 8, 13, correct. No,
Yes, sir.
no. You are leaving minus 8, 13, correct.
ಅದೇ ಅಲ್ವಾ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ರೋ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕಾಲಮ್ ಬಿಡ್ತಾ ಇದೆ.
Yeah, second row, first column ಬಿಡಬೇಕು. So minus 8, 13. So this is 78 minus
78 minus
88.
88.
So minus
10.
minus will become plus here. So it will
10.
become plus 10. So we will
Yes,
write only 10.
Yes, sir. Now we should find out sigma 2, 2.
Alpha 2, 2.
Alpha, sorry.
So minus 1 to the power of 2 plus 2.
2 plus 2.
M22.
It gives a plus sign.
So we don't have to write plus sign.
Yes, sir.
So
So
M22 means leave the second row
Second row
and
and
second column.
column. Yeah.
So we will get minus 3.
Minus 3 minus 11.
4,
13.
13. So it is minus 39 plus 44. That becomes 5.
5. Next we will find sigma 2,
Alpha.
3.
Alpha.
Alpha 2. Alpha 2, 3.
Alpha 2, 3.
Minus 1 into.
Minus 1 to the power of 2 plus 3.
2 plus 3. So it gives the minus sign.
M23.
M23.
So there is a minus sign coming
We should
because of the
ignore
odd
the
number.
second row, third column. Second
Yeah,
column.
Yeah, leave the
third row,
second row and the third column.
Third column.
So you'll get minus.
Minus 3 minus 11. Minus 3, 6.
Minus 3, 6.
4 minus 8.
So this is minus outside. This is 24 minus 24.
24 minus 24.
So this is minus 1
0.
into. So it is 0.
0.
So whether we multiply by minus or plus, for 0 we don't put the minus or plus sign. It is unsigned integer. Then alpha 31 is minus 1 to the power of 3 plus 1
It's
M.
minus sign.
M31. It is not minus. 3 plus 1 is what? It is 4.
Ah, 4, sorry.
So even number means plus, so we don't have to write the
Plus.
plus sign.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Plus we will
Sorry.
not write. So
We
leave
should
the
ignore the
third
third row,
row and
first
first
column.
column.
Yeah.
So you will get
Third row, first column, 6.
ah,
Third row, first column. No?
so it is
6 minus
36
11.
minus 44.
Minus 4, 6. So it becomes 36 minus 44 is equal to minus
You read
8.
button. Press ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ಟು ನಂಗೆ ತಂದ್ಕೊಡು. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇಡಬೇಡ. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಬಡದು ಎತ್ತು ಇದ್ದು ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಕಷ್ಟ ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ. So how much you will get?
Alpha 32.
Then alpha 32 is minus 1.
3 plus 2 and
3 plus 2 multiplied by
5. So it
M32.
becomes the minus sign M32.
This is minus will come because of odd sign. So leave the third row, second column.
Second column.
You get minus 3 minus
Minus
11.
3 minus 11.
Then
3 and 6.
3 and 6. So
3,
this
6,
is equal to
18.
minus 18
Minus
plus
18.
33. So it becomes minus 15.
Minus.
Then
Minus
alpha
50.
33 minus 1 power 3 plus
3
3
plus 3. So it's even number.
and M33.
We should ignore the third column, third row.
Leave the third row, third column.
Minus 3, 6, 3 minus 4.
Minus 3, 6, 3 minus 4. So it will be 12 minus 18
18.
is equal to
It's
minus
4.
6.
Minus 6, sorry. Minus 6.
Minus 4.
Minus 4.
Minus 6, minus 6.
So,
You said 4, you know, so I also thought of.
Nango 6.
Now we can write what is alpha. It is alpha 11, alpha 12, alpha 13, alpha 21, alpha 22, alpha 23,
Alpha 31.
alpha 31,
Alpha 32, alpha
32,
33.
alpha 33. Now we have the values of these things we have calculated.
Yes, sir.
You write them here. What was alpha 11?
Alpha 11 is 4 minus 4.
Minus 4. Alpha 12.
Alpha 12 is minus 15.
Huh?
Minus 15.
Minus 15. Alpha 13.
Minus 8.
Minus 8. Alpha 21.
10.
10. Alpha 22.
5.
Alpha 23.
0.
Alpha 31.
Minus 8.
Alpha 23. Alpha
Minus
32.
15.
Alpha 32.
Minus 15.
minus 15. Alpha 3, 3,
minus 6.
minus 6. Now, this matrix alpha is called as cofactor matrix of that A. Whatever the matrix that was given, this alpha is cofactor matrix of that given matrix A.
Yes, sir.
You're able to follow?
Yes, sir.
Huh?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Cofactor matrix of A.
Yeah. Then we write what is called adjoint of matrix A. We write ADJ and matrix A. This is written like alpha and write a T there, looks like to the power, but it is read as transpose of matrix alpha.
ಏನ್ ಬರಿಬೇಕು ಸರ್ ಪವರ್ ಜಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ?
It is alpha enclosed in rectangular bracket. Above we write the letter T.
T.
Which I have written on the screen, you can
Yes.
see.
Yes.
So this one is not power, it is read as transpose of matrix alpha.
Okay.
It is transpose of matrix alpha, or it is transpose of cofactor matrix of A.
Yes, sir.
Now, what was the alpha matrix values you have? -4,
-4, -15, -8,
-8,
10, 5, 0,
10, 5, 0,
-8, -15, -6.
-8, -15,
-6.
-6. Now you will write a letter T here above. So it is something like what happened? I think it has gone somewhere. Anyway, we'll do it fresh. So you tell me what is the alpha. So we want to find the adjoint of matrix A. It is transpose of alpha. What are these numbers? Hello?
Yes, sir.
What are the numbers?
-4,
-4,
-8,
-15,
-15,
-8,
10,
10,
5,
5, 0,
0, -8, -15, -6.
-8, -15,
-6.
-6. So we write a T there. That
ಸರ್
means,
ಸರ್ ನೀವು ಫ್ರೆಶ್ ಆಗಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ?
ಹಾ,
ನಂಗೆ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾನೆ ಇಲ್ಲ ಸರ್.
ಕಾಣ್ತಿಲ್ವಾ?
ಹಳೆ ಪೇಜಲ್ಲೇ ಇದೆ ಇನ್ನು.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಬರ್ಬೇಕಲ್ಲ, ಕಾಣ್ತಿಲ್ವಾ? ಕಾಣ್ಬೇಕಲ್ಲ.
ಇಲ್ಲ, ಹಳೆ ಪೇಜಲ್ಲೇ ಇದೆ ಇನ್ನು, ಫ್ರೆಶ್ ಪೇಜ್ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ.
ಹೌದಾ?
ಹಾ,
ಏನಾಯ್ತು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಆಯ್ತು. ಈಗ ಕಾಣ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ?
ಇಲ್ಲ ಸರ್, ಬರ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಇನ್ನ ಹಳೆ ಪೇಜ್ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಇದೀರಾ.
ನೋಡೋಣ, ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. Okay, I will write here. ಈಗ ಕಾಣ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ?
ಹಾ.
So we have to write it as adjoint of matrix A,
Yes, sir.
which is transpose of alpha.
Yeah.
So adjoint of matrix A is equal to, you tell these numbers,
-4, -15, -8,
-4, -15,
-8, 10, 50,
10, 50.
-8, -15, -6.
Now we write a T here.
Yeah.
Now what it means is, it is like this. Read the numbers in the first row and write
Yes.
them as a first column. That is -4, -15, -8. So first row you write it as first column.
Okay.
Then second row you write it as second column. 10, 5, 0. Third row write it as third column. -8, -15,
-6.
-6. So this is called transpose of cofactor matrix, or it is called adjoint of matrix A.
Yes, sir.
Adjoint of matrix A. You're able to follow?
Yes, sir.
So next step you write adjoint A, ADJ within brackets A equal to this result what you have got, you write. Next step here below you write adjoint ADJ A equal to this matrix, you write. You're able to follow or not?
Yes, sir. I'm fine. I wrote it.
Huh?
I wrote it.
Okay. Then we find matrix A inverse. It is adjoint of matrix A determinant divided by the determinant of matrix A. So that means you got the adjoint of matrix A, how much? Divide by the determinant what you have calculated.
Okay, sir.
How much you got determinant?
10.
You get like this. Adjoint matrix A divided by the determinant of the matrix A. Determinant you have found in the starting point.
Yes.
You are able to follow?
Yes, sir.
Now, what it means is divide every number by this determinant and write the answer. So it becomes minus 4 divided by 10 is 0.4. 10 divided by 10 is 1. Minus 8 by 10 is minus 0.8.
0.8.
Then it is minus 1.5. This is 0.5.
0.15.
This is minus
Minus
1.5.
1.5.
This is minus
Minus 0.8.
0.8. This much will be
0.
0. This is minus
Minus 0.6.
6. So A inverse will be equal to this one.
Yes.
You are able to follow?
Yes, sir.
Now we have the matrix A. What was the matrix A that was given?
Minus 0.4.
No, given matrix.
Given matrix. Sir. Minus 3.
6 minus 11.
Minus 11. 3 minus 4.
3 minus 4, 6.
4 minus 8, 13.
4 minus 8, 13. So this is the given matrix.
Yes, sir.
And what you have found here is A inverse. Now, to check whether what you have calculated is right or wrong, you have to find out what is A into A inverse. This one, you can call it as a matrix B equal to. Now this is 3 by 3 matrix. This is also 3 by 3 matrix. And this is also
3 by 3.
3 by 3 matrix. That means you have to find out B11, B12, B13, B21, B22, B23, B31, B32, B33.
Yes.
You're able to follow?
Yes, sir.
So that means so here we'll write it as B. So it is A into A inverse minus 0.4, 1 minus 0.8 minus 1.5, 0.5 minus 1.5 minus 0.8, 0 minus 0.6.
Minus 1.5.
You're able to follow?
Yes, sir.
Now, since B is 3 by 3, we'll have to find something like B11, B12, B13, B21, B22, B23, B31, B32, B33. So what is B11 equal to? B12 equal to B13 equal to, like that you have to find all of them.
Yes, sir.
So calculate, let us see what you will get.
B11 is equal to minus 3 into minus 0.4
Ah,
plus
ah,
6 into 1
no. How do you multiply
ಇಲ್ಲ,
matrices?
ಇಲ್ಲ. ಒಂದು ನಿಮಿಷ.
We have
minus
done
3 into minus 0.4.
because we did several problems.
Yes, sir.
Ah,
3 into
no,
6 into minus 1.5, sir.
correct.
That's 1.5 is equal to minus 7.8.
And what is that one?
Answer, sir. B11.
No, wrong.
Sir, it's minus 7.8 alva.
No. How do you calculate?
Minus 3 into minus 0.4.
Ah,
1.2. 1.2 plus 6 into minus 1.5 minus 9. Sir, minus 7.8 ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, sir.
no, wrong. What are you doing?
6 into minus 16. Oh, correct. Yes, sir.
No, you must practice the previous lessons, otherwise if we are still
Sir,
in
ಅದು ಇದು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ
what did you multiply?
minus 3 into minus 0.4 is 1.2.
Ah,
1 minute, sir. 0.2. 6 into minus 1.5
ah,
is minus 9.
ah,
Minus 9 plus minus 11 into minus 0.8 is 8.8. 1.2 plus minus 9 plus 8.8 is equal to 1. Sir, 1, sir.
ah. Next for B12.
3 into
Ah. B12.
B12, correct. First.
B12, how will you multiply?
6 into
No. B12 means what?
first or second column.
First row.
Second column.
That means what?
First row, second column. Sir, 6 है तने sir.
No. See, first row of what?
Second column.
No. First
Sir,
row
B12.
first row of first matrix, second column of second matrix. See, first number,
Minus 3 into 1.
huh?
3 into 1.
No. First row
Yes, sir.
of the
First
first
row,
matrix.
6 into 1.
No. First row of the first matrix
Yes, sir. Minus 3,
multiplied
3,
by
4.
the second
First row.
column of the second matrix.
Ah.
The first number refer to the first matrix.
Minus 3.
Second number refer to the second matrix.
1.
So what will you multiply?
Minus 3 into 1.
Correct.
Sir, ಅದನ್ನೇ ಆವಾಗಲೇ ಹೇಳಿದೆ ಸರ್.
ಇಲ್ಲ ಅವಾಗ ಅದನ್ನ ಹೇಳಲಿಲ್ಲ.
ಸರ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಅದನ್ನೇ ನಾನು ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್
ಇಲ್ಲ you told all other things. Next.
ಆಮೇಲೆ ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದು.
Next.
Minus 3 into 0.5. 3 into 0.5.
No.
6 into 0.5.
How many options you want?
Confuse ಆಗ್ತದೆ.
That is why I told you this is new method of multiplying, so you have to learn by practicing. I told you, but you have not done for the last 3 days, Then
ಸರ್ ಮಾಡಿ minus 1 into 0. Minus 1 into 0.
Minus
1 into 0.
Where is 1?
Oh, it's 11. Minus 11 into 0.
So it is minus 3 plus 3 plus 0 is equal to 0. What about B13?
ಸರ್ ಇದ್ರದ್ದು ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯಲಿಲ್ಲ.
Simplify ಮಾಡಿ.
Answer is 0. B13.
B13. How will you find?
First row, third column. Minus 3 into minus 0.8. Plus 6 into minus 1.5. Plus minus 11 into minus 0.6. Sir, 0 on answer.
So next you find B21.
3 into minus 0.4.
Ah,
Minus 4 into minus 1.5.
huh?
Minus 4 into minus 1. I 1, sorry, 1.
Huh?
Minus 4 into 1.
No. What are you doing? See, we are writing now
Minus 1.5, sir.
B21.
Yeah. Second row, first column. Three into
B21 will be what?
3 into
Huh?
minus 1.5. Minus 0.4 first. ಆಮೇಲೆ minus 3 into minus 0.4.
B21 ಗೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ? ಯಾವ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ? Which one?
3 into minus 0.4.
ಹಾ
Plus
ಹಾ
minus 4 into
ಹಾ
minus 1.5.
ಹಾ then
6 into minus 0.8.
ಹಾ
Minus 12, sir.
no.
Sir, 0.
ಇಲ್ಲ ನಾನ್ ಬರ್ದಿರೋದ್ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಡಿ, ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಏನ್ ಬಂತ
ಇಲ್ಲ ಸರ್, ನಾನೇ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು.
ಹಾ ಓಕೆ.
ಅದು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಸೈನ್ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ, ಮೈನಸ್
ಹಾ
ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ.
that should not be done. Then B22 how will you calculate?
B22 is equal to 3 into 1 plus minus 4 into 0.5. Plus 6 into 0. Three plus minus 2 plus 0. Sir, 1.
Then B23, how will you calculate?
3 into 0.8 plus minus
Huh?
4 into
ಏನೇ
minus
ಇನ್ನೊಂದ್ಸರಿ ಹೇಳಿ.
1.5. 3 into minus 3 into 0.8.
Huh?
3 into minus 0.8
Ah,
plus minus 4 into minus 1.5 plus 6 into minus 0.6. Minus
no.
plus 3.
Next, B31. How much you got the answer?
1 minute. Sir, 14.4.
No.
Sir, 3 into minus 0.8 is 24, sir. 3 into minus 0.8 is equal to minus 2.4. Sir, minus 12.
No.
Sir, 0 answer.
ಹೇಗೆ ಬಂತು?
ಅದು ಸೈನ್ ಮಿಸ್ಟೇಕ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ.
So B31. B31 ಹೇಗೆ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ?
4 into minus 0.4 plus minus 8 into minus 1.5 plus 13 into minus 0.2.
How much is that?
I'm calculating. Sir, 0.
ಹೇಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬಂತು?
Minus 1.6.
ಹಾ
12.
ಹಾ
12.
ಹಾ
Minus 10.4.
ಓಕೆ. ಸೊ B32.
4 into 1 plus minus 8 into 0.5, 13 into 0. So again 0.
ಹಾ B33.
4 into minus 0.8 plus minus 8 into minus 1.5 plus 13 into minus 0.6. Sir, one answer.
ಹಾ now you write down what is matrix B equal to. Right, B is equal to B11, B12, B13, B21, B22, B23, B31, B32, B33. Fill up the answers we got.
Answer ಬರಿಬೇಕಲ್ವಾ ಸರ್ ಆ ಜಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ?
ಹಾ
ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಬರಿಬೇಕಲ್ವಾ ಸರ್ ಆ ಜಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ?
ಹಾ ಹಾ matrix B equal to
100
ಹಾ
010
ಹಾ
001.
ಹಾ so that means we
Answer
got
ಎಲ್ಲ correct.
A into A inverse is equal to so this is A so multiplied by A inverse is equal to I. You are able to follow?
Yes, sir.
Now what you do, you write the reverse. First you write A inverse, then you write A, say call it as say C. Write the size of C, which is same as size of A and size of A inverse. Calculate C11, C12, C23, etc., and calculate the result.
Okay.
You can do it as a homework. Huh?
Yes, sir.
So please do it and please repeat all the previous lessons what you have done. Otherwise, we keep on continuing and you will everywhere make this kind of things, So adding, subtraction, multiplication, division,
Okay.
all you must do correctly. Otherwise, whatever you do will become waste.
Okay.
So whenever you find time, don't waste. Simply keep on sit and working. Okay.
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 Okay. Thank you.
Bye. Sugar tablet has failed.